Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
My name is Renelwe.
And my name is Pastana, and welcome again yet back to our YouTube channel Hariba Twins. We got back again this week with a financial interest video, and we'll be talking about a credit score. So please stay tuned to this video to learn about what is a credit score and all the things that goes with a credit score.
To all our returning service, thank you guys for coming back. To our new service, thank you guys for subscribing. And to those who are new and seeing this video for the first time, seeing Riva Twins channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button and the notification button to know when we post more videos, and welcome to the family. Thank you guys for the comment, likes, feedback. We really appreciate you guys. So as she said, that we'll be talking about credit score. So first and foremost, what is a credit score?
Yes.
A credit score is a three numerical value which credit bureaus use to check your credit worth. So they use a credit report to check that you range from this to this. Are you credit worth? Are you a potential risk? Are you worth it that we borrow you our money?
Yeah.
So where does one get this credit report? You get it from. We've been using ClearScore for quite some time now, but there are other websites too that you can check. You can Google where to check my credit score, but we've been using ClearScore. It's the most reliable one because you can
register on it. You get a monthly report, a free monthly report.
So it is very reliable. You can go check there. And in this video, we'll be talking about all the benefits, advantages, and all things you need to know about your credit score.
So for a credit score, you've got different ranges to check if you've got a bad credit score, you've got a fair, good, excellent, and all that. So as you said, that it's a three numerical number. So from 300 to 629, I guess you can have a lower score than 300. So from 300 to 629, it's a bad credit score. And then from 630 to 689, they consider it as a fair credit score. And then 690 to 719, it's a good credit score. And then 720 to 850, that is an excellent credit score. Now, with that said, let me talk about the benefits of having this excellent credit score, or at least a good and excellent credit score. You're gonna be able to get easier approval on the loans that you apply for, easier approval for rental of apartment, easier negotiating powers when you do those application for loans and everything. You get low interest rates on those loans, and then also for car insurance rates, they become lower. So those are the benefits of having a good and an excellent credit score.
And this is where the goal is. We all want to be in that bracket of having an excellent credit score, because we don't want to be ending up lending a loan of 50,000 but paying a whole lot more because our interest rate is way much higher because of our bad credit score. So we all want to be, if you are in a good bracket, that's great, but let's work to get into the excellent bracket. Yeah. Then I think we can tell them also about the bad, the disadvantage of having a bad
credit score. So the disadvantage is basically the opposite of those benefits that I was saying. So disadvantage is that you will not get easily approved for a loan, because they're gonna look at your credit score and they're like, yo, you've got a bad credit score. How are you gonna afford to pay this loan? You don't pay your loan on time and all this and all this. They're gonna look at those factors and no, this person is not worth it for us to approve his or her loan. And then your interest rates are gonna be so high because you are your credit score is basically bad. So you won't have any negotiating powers. Your car insurance rates, they will be quite high because of that bad credit score. So with that said, let's get into what do they look at when they look
what affects your credit score, which is the most important thing that most people may not be aware of, but we hope you learn something in this video. So number one, account payment history. They say, okay, Renelo is trying to borrow 100,000 from FNB, but Renelo also has a credit at Edgar's and has a credit at Telkom, but she doesn't pay on time. If she's supposed to pay on the 25th or on the 31st, but she always pays 2 days later. Sometimes she pays only Telkom, she doesn't pay Edgar's. Sometimes she doesn't pay the required minimum premium. She only pays what she can afford, basically. So they'll look at those things. Oh no, but this person is not consistent, doesn't pay on time, doesn't pay the correct amount. So you are a high risk. We cannot trust you with our money.
Yes.
Number two, if you have too much debt, they look at that. They're like, okay, you owe Telkom, you owe Edgar's, you owe Capfin loan, you owe MTN, you owe Breadclothes, you owe, you owe. They're like, your life
is dependent on debt now.
Debt. So, and you want to get more debt. How are you going to afford all those things with the money you have? No. We cannot trust you. We might give you the money, but we're not sure that you're going to pay it back.
That is where they calculate your credit score, basically. Yes. Okay, your payment history, and then now too much debt, so it affects your credit score. So if one of those is not going well, you are in danger. The next thing is
negative information that they find on your credit report, which is very important, which is why it's very important to have
to check your credit score.
Because when you check your credit score, you can check, okay, but they are saying I have a loan at ABSA, which is a 10,000 loan. But you see, they named that. No, I never took this loan. This is might be my ID number, but this is not me. So those kind of things, you can then take a step and query them, call ABSA and try to find out and remove that, because it really does add to your credit score and the chances of you getting loans and getting an excellent credit score. The other thing they look at is the length of your credit history. So if you're saying, okay, I'm a very new employee, I've only have 6 months working, and I just took a cell phone contract 2 months ago, and you go say, I want to go buy a car. They're like, Mara, wena no. Kona, we took that scholar, don't know. So that's why you would say, like, but it's better to have debt. But again, you need debt to make another debt.
Exactly.
That's the other thing. So you still need to have a long period of time for you to show that, oh no, this person is consistent, this person, so that they can check. Because if you don't have anything, where are they gonna check?
How are
they can't check anything. They have to be the first ones to trust you.
And then with a huge amount, like maybe for a car, like that would be something that is very like, no, you can't do this. Rather start with maybe we're not advising that, maybe a clothing account or whatever, something small, something that you can build your credit score. So you need to build your credit score in order to be able to qualify for these other big loans and everything.
Yes. So if you are planning to buy a car in a year's time, I think it's time to start now with building your credit score.
You can just take maybe a Wi-Fi with 10 gig and pay 100 rand. Just show them that I pay 100 rand on the agreed amount, on the agreed date. So I'm a trustworthy person. So you can give me that loan.
Yes. Number 5 of what affects your score is your account application and inquiry activity, which is very, very, very important. People are not aware of this. So if you are this person of, let me go to Google, Capfin loan, let me see if I can apply for I can qualify for a 200,000 loan. Those things build up in your credit score, and they look at, but you always trying to find out if you qualify for money. So which means you are always looking to take a loan or something. That's why it's also bad that if you go buy a car or you go get a loan, that you go check this, go check, no, let me see if I qualify, let me see if I can, at the end you don't even take in none of them. But those things, they reflect in your report that you've been trying to get some kind of credit. So it's very bad for you to go around shopping
for credit while there's a possibility you're not even going to take one.
Even if there's a possibility that you take one, but you shouldn't like apply for it.
Just shop for whatever you want. When you are ready to say, I want this, I think I'll settle with this is my final decision, then apply for that loan.
Yes. So I think that's what we wanted to talk about in this video.
And I think the other important thing that you should tell that the importance of checking a credit score. Many people will find out that I check my credit score, I find that I've got a loan at ABSA, as she said, you don't know anything about. Like these people, this nowadays technology, and they just call you, we're offering a Wi-Fi contract at it's just this will deliver at your office. What you're like, okay, 100 gig, no, this is great. You agree, but you were never in that moment. You don't even know how much does it cost, everything, and then now You see that?
You have lots and lots of things in your credit.
Yes, you've got
card.
lots of that you don't know anything about, and like you can follow up with those kind of things that you are not aware of, or is somebody stealing your ID, or you lost your ID, and then somebody can be able to open an account on your behalf. You know, there are justice out there on your behalf. So you'll be able to see that as well. Although it will take time to remove that, but you are aware, and then you're gonna be able to take a step. How do I get rid of this?
Yes. So it's also good to have a credit report, because even if you how do I put this? If it shows you the kind of loans you qualify for, what do you qualify for, how much do you qualify, where do you qualify for, before you can even go around shopping. It shows you that, and it also shows you all your credit, that this is how much you're still owing at F&B, at gas, at Bricklows, at what at Telkom. This is how much you pay, and this is how much you are paying every month. And it also shows you that you've been paying on time, not on time, this and this and this, each and every month. So you can also see those things.
So you check yourself, basically, well, how am I doing with credit? So it's a really great thing to check, and then it's really great even before, when you are looking to get a loan, to just check that before, and then see what are your chances, how you're doing. So that is basically what we wanted to share with you, all about credit score. We hope you have learned something. We'll put down the link below for the clearscore.com, but you can also check other sites that you feel comfortable with. But just check that you don't pay, because some of the sites offer you 1 year, one annual report, and then if you want monthly, you're gonna pay a certain amount if you want monthly. So just
make sure that you understand if you are fine with paying or not, or
what's terms and conditions and everything. So we really hope that you got something into this video. In this video, you learned something, and then you share with your friends and your family. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, hit that
subscribe button,
hit that
notification button, and we'll see you next week. Thank you so much, guys.
Bye bye.